in short, if I describe, because we don't have too much of the time. So uh, there are the three factors. In three factors, if I explain, so what are the three factors to explain the good way of lifestyle? That is, first is ahar. So ahar means food, which is very very important. uh, Food is important for us because food is a source of energy. Food we need for the rejuvenation also. So every day, each and every time, our old cells die and we have to regenerate it. So for that we need a good quality of the food, perfect amount of the food. And food must be sattvic, food must be suitable to you. It's not just about the food. Food is like prana. Prana means it gives us life, no? It is going to give us life for the physical health, for the mental health. So if we are not having food in a good way, so it's a waste. You must be hungry for that. Your mind must be peaceful, and then after that you have to choose the quality, quantity and time of the meal. Also, that along with the food, what else is important? That is our daily activity. So daily activities means we should walk. How much we should walk? It's according to you, according to your lifestyle. I mean, yes. We all have to do. I can say, according to our schedule, we have to do exercise, physical exercise. So that including with the yoga is not exactly a exercise, but yoga is more than the exercise. Yes, it helps to balance our body and mind. So yoga is like something special. But yes, exercise, I think everyone have to believe, have to do. It's really important. Lot of female particularly, they suffer from the PCOD, hypothyroidism, obesity, diabetes, lethargy. How it comes? It comes just because we are nowadays lazy. Yes. We don't want it to do effort to cook our food. We cook, okay, we cook a food, but sometime only just once a day, and the same food we are going to take for lunch, for dinner, and sometime for the second day too. So this kind of things, it's really unhealthy for us. Secondly, we are again lazy to do physical effort. We have to do that, otherwise it's impossible to treat. Sometimes people comes, particularly females. In fact, today also I have seen one lady. She was suffering from the PCOD, and a lot of weight she had. And I started to suggest her medicine. After that, I saw, I was noticing her expression. So then in the last I said, you are not going to um, be treated by any of the doctor, even the best to best doctor, because the secret of the health is in the person. According to your lifestyle, you can deal your issues, and also you can maintain your health and mind. It's really important. Another thing is important, that sleep. We are running behind the success. So success, how it comes again? If you are not sleeping well, if we are not sleeping well, how we can concentrate, how we have the good memory, how we can be energetic? Because mental health can affect your body. So it's really important to balance. In Ayurveda, we talk about the three factors, that is vata, which means the air. So air controls all the activities. So when we don't take the good sleep or sufficient sleep in the night, so what happens? It gives the tiredness. That air factor become imbalance, and if that instability during the night we have for the longer time, so we can be sick. We can be in fact crazy. So restlessness, sometimes some we all have, for a moment, for some days. Sometimes we all have stress, but we must have stress under control. So do not run behind the things which you cannot manage. I think we all have that capability to manage all kind of stress. It's just how much you are attached. That is also a part of the daily lifestyle. It's not only which time you are getting up, only this is sufficient. You must be happy with that too. So you have to do for that is practice. You must go to sleep around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, as much as possible, earlier possible. because night god makes to sleep. In fact, you see that if we don't have electricity, if we don't have that much of facility, we can't see in the night. We can't, in fact, recognize that who is speaking. So if we cannot use that clarity, if we don't have clarity, so that time we should not do work. So night time we don't have actual clarity. It means night time is the time God makes to sleep. So we must sleep. Nowadays we have sometimes the jobs, so it's like up to you which kind of job you are choosing. If your health is suffering, so I think you must think about it. Secondly, that how many hours you need sleep. For lady, that beauty is important. So beauty means like this figure is important. So how to maintain it? So for that, do not take sleep more than 6 to 8 hours. Now, excess sleep, it increases the earth factor of the body. Earth factor, it gives the shape, size and shape. So that become increase. So that's why excess sleep is poisonous for the people who don't want it to gain weight or who want it to maintain weight. This is very important. Again, which factor is important? That not too much stress. Stress also affect our digestion. Maybe lot of people they have noticed that when they are in stress, their digestion become interrupt. So it's very important that to manage your stress, you must not be in your stress. And I think managing stress, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. It's a practice. Practice comes. If you do like maybe meditation, if you do pranayama, if you do maybe the chantings, and I think we all can manage our stress. There are some points maybe in Ayurveda also. We in India actually we have, like maybe you can press this point. If you have any kind of stress, so naturally there are some chemicals. Maybe problem is not going to be subside, but you are able to deal that stress. So it's very important. Maybe you are sitting. Yes. Well, while we are having a hormonal imbalance, particularly at the time of menopause, so we must again do some practice, which is like meditation, because hot flushes start. So this is like in lifestyle, particularly females. I believe that we suffer more comparison to the males. We have more hormonal fluctuation with the time, that at the time of menopause, at the time of in fact pregnancy too, or we are females are more emotional, so that's why we suffer more. So for us it's very important to do meditation. We must do pranayama in the morning. We must go to sleep earlier. We must focus. If you think that your lifestyle is sedentary type of lifestyle, that is very important for you, that to take care of your diet, protein rich diet. I would like to recommend that people must take protein rich diet. Again, a point to be noted down. People who are doing sedentary type of lifestyle, they need more nutrition instead of calorie. People who are doing more physical work, they need more carbohydrate, because they need calorie too, instant calorie too, to do exercise. That's why probably you maybe notice lot of people they drink the shakes etc. before exercise. So why? Because they need instant calorie for that, for exercise. Otherwise they may feel exhausted. So this is like we have to understand what is our need. Also sometimes we talk about the quality of the food. So I cannot say exactly which kind of fruit or vegetables. Maybe geographically, maybe you have various kind of fruits or cereals, so that you would know maybe which kind of cereals are rich in carbohydrate, which kind of fruits are sweet. So again, a person who is like maybe doing too much of the physical effort, that person need more sweeter kind of food. So this kind of food choices you have to understand. It's not only you cannot achieve the health by reading any book. The things comes from that you have to understand the life simply. What is your desire